Hello friends, how are you all? So today I'm going to tell you how you can install GB WhatsApp on any of your iPhone. So friends, watch the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's start. So friends, as you can see, this is my iPhone 6 and the WhatsApp in it is a simple. To convert it into GB WhatsApp, you will have to jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreaking, you have to open the Zap app. You can do the same thing with CD and Sleeve app also. After opening the app, you have to add repo. The link of that repo is showing to you on the screen. You have to add it. After adding, you have to click on this source and then click on tweaks and click on watusi 34 WhatsApp and install it. It will take few seconds to install. Till then, you can subscribe to the channel. After installation, you have to open the lock of your phone and open the WhatsApp. So as you can see, my WhatsApp is converted into GB WhatsApp. Thanks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.